Good morning. Hello. I will be packing this, 2 bags of this for chunks in the microwave. I'll be using the brown bag and this box. Tapioca never really chunked for me, so we'll try it. And I have two bags of this kind. 2 bags. And as I pack this, I will not be doing it on camera because it just takes too long. I'm just starting the process and showing you guys what I'm using. And I will be eating a little powder, different starches, powder form. I'm going to have to pack this really down to be able to get 2 bags in here. It's so pretty and white. So pretty. It's not really one of my favorites because I've never really been able to get it to chunk. And the taste, just like this didn't taste that good to me, but it could have just been where the store and where it was located in the store. Maybe it'll taste better after I put it in the microwave, but I really can't even describe the taste of it. It's just But I'm gonna chunk it up and see. Well, I'm gonna attempt to chunk it up. And by this being 2 bags, I will microwave it for like 5 minutes to 5.5, or until I might smell it like burning. But I think 5 will do because it is 2 bags. And I didn't had it for a while. Just didn't want to do anything with it, y'all. I don't even care if a little powder be left in this bowl. Okay. It's full all the way up to past the box. But by the time I pack it down, it should, hopefully it'll be enough for me to be able to fold it down. Hopefully. I'll be back after I finish packing because it just takes too long to pack it on camera. Okay, got that packed down really good. It's about right here, so I can't tear any of my bag off. It's packed really tight, y'all. Hopefully I'll get some good chunks. Hello. I will be using the Ace band. And I will finish packing this off camera. 2 bags in the brown paper bag and the hot and meal box. Microwave for probably at least 5 minutes, a little more if needed. I need to get me a new one because this one about had it. And I'm not going to do all that on camera, but yes, this is 2 bags of this, which I don't like the taste in the powder form. Maybe it'll taste better after I chunk it up, but I will have the results for this later on this evening, or maybe a little sooner. It all depends on how long it takes for it to cool off, because I will not be putting it in the freezer. This right here is the Hodgson's meal. I just put it in this box because I don't like to leave it open like that. Eat a little powder, just a little. I'm just getting a little bit of each one. I'm missing my chestnut here. Hold on, guys. Yes, it won't be complete, but without this chestnut right here, this chestnut, it's really good. But put some of this in there. And I'm getting like a big tablespoon of each one. This is really good. This is really good. And this is a lot of powder, so I probably won't eat all of it. Not on camera. It's too much right now. Last but not least, that good old Clover Valley everyone likes. Well, it chunks good. It's okay. I'm going to pause this for a minute, put all my starches up. Mm-hmm. All those different starches mixed together tastes good. Mm-hmm. I'll probably eat half of this now and eat the other half later after I eat because I haven't eaten anything yet. Yeah, all of these mixed together is really good. It's really good. What is it? The Argo in the box, the Argo in the container, the Chestnut Hill, the Argo Laundry, the Clover Valley. What I miss? I missed some. Oh, the Hodges Mill and the cream and the Rumfords. Yeah, mixture tastes pretty good, y'all. But I won't be eating all this because I haven't eaten anything for the day yet. And I notice sometimes when I eat starch on an empty stomach, it kind of makes my stomach cramp a little bit. So when I do swallow, I try to already have food on my stomach. I had to pause it for a second. I thought my sister was coming. She might bust up in here at any minute, though. I might be able to finish it, y'all. Very yummy. I think I can finish this. Mm-hmm.